What's up, my crypto lovers? I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum. My name is Crypto Nug. Let's get into it. What's up, my crypto lovers? This is Crypto Nug from Just Crypto HQ, and we're having a look at Bitcoin. Basically, Bitcoin hasn't done much over the last few days. Like I mentioned to you guys, we were forming a double bottom pattern, which is a W pattern. It is usually a bullish pattern. If we had to break the neckline, we could have seen the price rally all the way up to this resistance zone. But instead, the price got rejected at the resistance and is now forming a double top, which is actually a bearish sign. So if the price has to break this support level, we are going to be looking for lower levels in Bitcoin and possibly breaking down to the 29, 28, 30k regions. So between 28 to 30k. But for now, the price is literally just consolidating on the lower time frames. If you look at the 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin, it's in a channel right now, and it is a tradable channel. These channels are pretty easy to trade. Basically, whenever the price gets to the top, you short, and then when the price hits the bottom, you long. And then obviously, once the price breaks out and basically retests this, that's how you know that's going to be the next direction for the price. But for now, all you can do is trade the channel, short the top, long the bottom, short the top, long the bottom, because we don't exactly know how long the price is going to be trading within this channel. It could trade in the channel for a few days, because as we know, there is a war going on in Ukraine at the moment. So the price action is looking kind of bearish. And I did mention that before the price basically was forming the double bottom. I mean, we can't be too bullish because there is literally a war going on. But we'll see what the Fed has to say. There is going to be a huge meeting this month. So we'll see what the update with the Fed is going to be. So the other main chart we want to be looking at is the total crypto market cap. And if I do this and I go to the daily time frame for you guys, I just want to show you guys something. I've spoken about this many times before. The total crypto market cap still does look bearish. We are setting in higher lows, which means that the price should potentially still be coming down. We haven't broken the higher low structure, which means we are in a confirmed strong downtrend for the total crypto market cap. So basically, I don't see Bitcoin having a huge bounce or rally at the moment until we basically break this consolidation range. As you can see, the price of the total crypto market cap is still consolidating over here. If it breaks down to the downside, we know we're going to be seeing lower targets because there is a head and shoulders on the total crypto market cap and we haven't reached the target yet. So we could potentially come down to reach the target of the, was that 1.2, 1.1 trillion dollars. So things overall do look bearish on my end. I'm just going to draw another line here. Maybe this is a descending triangle as well. Yes, it does look like a descending triangle. And that's also a bearish pattern, guys. So if we connect these tops over here, that point, this point over here, this point is a rejection, this point is a rejection. So total crypto market cap can do all, can basically travel between here and then basically break down to the downside eventually. So things do look bearish. It's only once we set the higher high, if the total crypto market cap is able to break through this red resistance zone, which is around the $2 trillion, only then I'll be able to see a positive move. But for now, it does look pretty bearish in the total crypto market cap and on Bitcoin. And I've been saying this about Bitcoin for a while. So people are expecting Bitcoin just to automatically rally. We literally have insane news coming out of basically a war. So obviously people are fleeing to much safer havens. One for that example is going to be gold. And if we look at the gold's price, just give it 1 second to load. Gold has literally been skyrocketing. Look at gold. Insane, right? it just shows that Bitcoin is not a store of value at this moment. It potentially can be in the future, but for now, it's not a store of value. So I had this set out on gold. This was a trade that I took over here, and I played the trade up to there. And then basically I was waiting for the daily retest, and look at this. It literally just touched that zone and then it rocketed back up again. So gold is looking like it's on a strong rally. If we go onto the weekly time frame, that's the daily. Gold is going to be setting a new high. As we can see, it's tackling the new high. So I think gold is basically coming to basically break this previous high over here, right? Once it does that, it comes and retests this section over here, and then it's going to continue the rally upwards. So gold is going to be in a monthly and weekly uptrend because gold looks insanely strong. Everybody is basically fleeing into gold because gold is the safe haven for the store of value of money right now. And as well as you guys know, commodities are skyrocketing as well. If we look at the NASDAQ 100, we're just going over these charts because these charts do show you the next potential moves for Bitcoin and basically the stock market. Bitcoin follows the stock market. So this was a pretty easy trade. As you guys can see, this is a double top pattern, and that is a bearish pattern, and this was the neckline. We basically came down, retested the neckline, and then fell all the way down. So that was an easy short trade if you had to short the price over there. And like I said, guys, I can update you guys on these simple patterns that are very tradable and easy to trade. Just drop me a like, drop a comment. If there's any chart you want to see, if you like the videos, please let me know. Drop it in the comments. And then also make sure that you subscribe to the channel. But yeah, guys, that is for now. That is all I have on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is looking bearish, and currently it is still in this descending channel. And it's just traveling this descending channel. We're just waiting for a breakout, a potentially good breakout now. And then, yeah, we'll basically know the next direction from there. But for now, everything is still looking pretty bearish. There's no new updates. And the only trades that I do see right now are basically shorting the top, long in the bottom. Shorting the top, long in the bottom of this channel. Easy trade you can be taking. And it gets invalidated once the price forms a solid candle outside of this yellow line. Then you stop shorting, or you stop longing if it breaks down here. So yeah, much love, guys. CryptoNug out, and peace and love. Also, guys, like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, as we are trying to grow to our first 1,000 subscribers. Let's go. This is not financial advice. It's only my opinion, and it's for educational purposes only.